This is our analytics dashboard, where users can log in and connect their Google accounts to view performance data from Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and YouTube. We provide a public privacy policy that explains how user data is handled and protected. When a user clicks Connect Google, they are taken through Google's secure OAuth consent screen. We request read-only access to Google Analytics, Search Console, and YouTube data in order to display performance metrics inside the dashboard. Once connected, the data is displayed in real time within the dashboard. Google Analytics data, such as users, sessions, and traffic sources, is shown here using the analytics.read-only scope. Search Console data, including clicks, impressions, and average position, is displayed here using the webmasters.read-only scope. YouTube Analytics data, such as views and watch time, is displayed here using the ytanalytics.read-only and YouTube.read-only scopes. Our application is read-only. We do not create, modify, or delete any user data. Users can revoke access at any time through their Google account settings or within our application. We only request the minimum permissions required to provide this functionality.